Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite Aid. We're here to do some deals for the week of the 23rd through the 29th. And we've got some okay deals. We do have an ad booster of spend 50, get back $10 in bonus cash on top of the deals that you would already be doing. The deals, like I said, are okay, but I've got some good bonus cash challenges. I've got some good coupons, and I've got some good Catalina coupons. So that's what's making me excited, and I'm happy about the items that I'm going to get. So that's all that matters. If you're excited about what you're getting, it doesn't matter if the deals are considered good or slow or fast or whatever. We're also going to be popping in to Walgreens. After we're done here, we're going to go over and we're going to do a pickup order, and I'm just going to show you that it's a small order, but it should be really, really good for me because it will be the third time I've done a daily deal on that account, so I should get an additional $20 in bonus cash, number one. Number two, it's just a pickup order day or something that you do in the app, and you can go and pick it up. And if you spend $35, you get back $15 in in Walgreens cash. And then the grocery deal offer was extended by a day if you weren't able to do that, or you want to do it again on another account or something like that. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. And if you're not new, welcome back. And that is really all I have. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So in the first transaction, I'm going to grab some Tide. I'm going to grab the 37-ounce bottles. They're on sale for $5.49. They're not giving back a bonus cash, but I do have a bonus cash challenge that I need to spend $24 more, like $24.02, in order to reach the $35 mark so that I can get back $9 in bonus cash. So that's what I'm going to do first. Is I'm going to grab 5 of these small bottles. Typically I would break it up so I could save a little bit more, but I'm only doing the one transaction. So I'm going to grab 5 of these at $5.49 a piece. That'll equal out to $27.45. I'm going to use 4 $1.50 off coupons from the 7/16 save insert. It's either 7/16 or the 7/9, and then I'm going to pay $21.45. But then on my bonus cash challenge for the Tide, I will get back $9 because that's going to be rounded up when they give me back the bonus cash from the bonus cash challenge. So that's going to make all 5 bottles $12.45, which seems kind of high. But we're going to put it in with the spend booster scenario, and it's going to be a much better deal. So next I'm going to do the Lysol. Certain Lysol products are spend 15, get back $3 in bonus cash. I'm going for the Lysol spray. These really big cans here are priced 2 for $15, which that's where we need to be at. So I'm grabbing 2 of them, and then I will be using a $1 off of 2 printable coupon. So then I will pay $14 for these. Then I'll get back $3 in bonus cash. I'm also going to get back $4 from a bonus cash challenge when I spend $14 in Lysol products. It'll be rounded up because they don't give back in the bonus cash change, so they just round it up. So I'll get back the $4. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get back $1 on each one. And then I'm also going to get back a $1.50 bonus because I am tracking for that bonus where you have to end up buying a wipe, a laundry sanitizer, and a sanitizing spray. So I just need to get the spray, and I'll get a $1.50 bonus. That's going to make both of these just $3.50, which normally they're priced at $11.49 a piece, which I think is an incredible deal. So we're going to grab one more item to get to the $50 mark. We're going to be a little over. So 7-Up products are on sale, 2 for $6, and when you buy 4, you will get back $6 in bonus cash. I was checking to see if Squirt was part of 7-Up products. So these are the 4 that I grabbed. They will equal out to $12. I will get back $6 in bonus cash, making them 4 for $6, which is a pretty good deal. So that's everything I'm grabbing in my first transaction. I have this 9 off of 45 Catalina coupon. It did expire the 13th, but these will scan until the end of the month. I'll show you out in the car the math and everything for this first transaction. So then on another transaction on a different account, I'm going to go with the Dove deodorant. They are spend $30, get back $10 in bonus cash. I am going for the deodorant. It also includes Tresemme, Nexus, and it includes a bunch of Dove products. I'm getting the deodorant at $8.99 a piece. I'm going to grab 4 of them. That'll equal out to $35.96. I'm going to be using 2 of these BOGO coupons. The max value is $7.99, so that's going to take off $7.99 twice, and that'll equal out to $19.98. Then I'll get back $10 in bonus cash, making it $9.99 or $9.98. And unfortunately, I don't have any bonus cash challenges for Dove, but I know a lot of people do, so check your accounts. Next, we're going to do the Crest toothpaste. We're going to get the Plain Jane toothpaste down here. It's buy one, get one 50% off. Buy 3, get back $5 in bonus cash, and you can do the deal twice. So we're going to grab this kind here for dear old dad, and the 6 of them will cost me $13.44. You'll pay that. You'll get back $10 in bonus cash, making all 6 of them just $3.44. And I was so close to the $50 mark, and then I seen that these had some coupons on them. So these are 2 for $6. They're buy 2, get back $2 in bonus cash. Now, these are close to expiration date by like a month, but we're going to go through them before then. So these are 2 for $6. These store coupons will take $1 off each one of them. So then I'll pay $4 for them, and then I'll get back $2 in bonus cash. But then we have dollar rebates on Ibotta for these. So that's going to make both of these big boxes of Frosted Flakes completely free. So that's everything that we are doing in our last transaction. I do have a 9 off of 45 for this one that I'm going to use as well. I had 2 of them. So that's everything that we're getting in this transaction. And we're going to head over to Walgreens, but we'll be in the car, and I will show you my curbside pickup order there. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens and Rite Aid, and I have my pickup order from Walgreens, and this guy is worth a lot of Walgreens cash back. It is a huge money maker. I think what we'll do is we'll go over the Walgreens deal first, because this time around the Walgreens deal is super quick to go over. Couple of things though. I've had people ask me a lot, and I'm just going to give you my best educated guess, because that's all I can ever do is give you my best educated guess. And that is, with the MyW Day deals, when you do 3 daily deals, you get an additional $20 in bonus cash. And I've had people ask me, do I have to clip that? And I'm going to say no, only because I've looked everywhere in the fine print. It doesn't say anywhere that you have to clip something, and I haven't seen anything to clip, but I haven't seen anything where it is automatic either. But the reason why I think it's automatic is because I have not seen anywhere in the fine print that you have to clip something. So that's why I'm going to say it's automatic. My guess is now that I did this 3rd order, I'll get a special thing in my app saying that I have another $20 back sometime today. But I will definitely keep you guys updated and posted on that. Now, the items that I got one pretty expensive item, and it's something that I've had my eye on for a while. Now, I could have done some Revlon. I could have done some other things where I get back Walgreens cash on top of the 25 or 35% back, just depending on if you have a birthday month going on, and the $15 back. But I decided I'm just going to get something I want. And it still ends up being an insanely good deal. So let's get into what we got. So the first thing we got was a Bic razor. This was $6.49 on the app. So there was that, and there is a $4 digital coupon for that. Then I got these Always liners. These, I'm losing stuff here. These Always liners are $1.79, and I had a 3 off 2 digital coupon for that. But oddly enough, the coupon took off $1.79 and not $3, because these are $3.58. You would think that $3 coupon, the 3 off 2 coupon, would take off $3, but it took off $1.79 instead. I don't know. I've never had anything like that happen. Then I only got one more thing. But I got this Olay Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen. This guy was originally like $41.99. Online, it is $29.99. And then we have big $12 digitals for this. So, yes, it's a more expensive item, but it's got a really high value coupon. So that $12 coupon come off, and it's nice because our percentage cash back is based off of our total, not after our coupons. So that was really good. So that's all of my items. So I had a total of $40.06 in items. I had $17.79 in coupons come off, so that brought my total down to $22.27. I did not use Walgreens cash to pay for that because I want to get the full value of the 35% cash back that I would be getting back for that. If you haven't seen my other videos, the account, I have two accounts that I'm using the 25% back that everyone should be getting, and then if it's a birthday month, which I've been getting 10% back extra all month, you get that extra 10% on top of that 25%. So anyways, I got back a total of $29 in Walgreens cash. I got back $15 for spending $35 in the app, and then I got back for the 35% cash back, it should have been $14.02. I got a flat $29 back. And then I'll get back $20 in Walgreens cash for the extra offer because this is the third My Walgreens Day deal that I have done. So that was a weird noise. That makes all of these items free and a $26.73 moneymaker, coming from over $40 for this guy right here. And I've had my eye on this line since it's come out. I've just been chomping at the bit, waiting for the right time to get it. So I'm going to have people say, well, what about waiting until the personal care deal to do it that day? I can, because I actually had two of these $12 coupons in my account. So I can still do this. I either get another one or get one of the moisturizers also. So I could have two of the items that I really wanted out of the line that come out of that. So $26.73 moneymaker is incredible. Now, if you have Rakuten, you can go through Rakuten. It'll reroute you to the website, and then it can take you to the app. So you want to make sure that you just hit the little button on the top of the website that'll take you to the app, and then you can do your order there. You can get extra cash back if you are a Rakuten member, and if you're not a Rakuten member, what you can do is get an additional $30 back through Rakuten if you wanted to do it that way. So you could make a killing today if you wanted to. You really, really could. Now, I'm not going to do another food deal, but if I wanted to, I could possibly do a food deal through the app and have the $10 stack with the $15 and get 35% back. I should do that anyways. But anyways, that is insane. That's like, here, just take the food and we'll give you Walgreens cash in exchange for that. So there is that. And I'm so excited about that. I can't wait to try this stuff out. So anyways, the next thing we'll talk about is Rite Aid, and we did 2 transactions at Rite Aid. So on the first transaction at Rite Aid, I did the Tide, I did the Lysol, and I did the Pop. So that was kind of more expensive, but I really wanted to get that bonus cash deal for the Tide. I had those $1.50 coupons come off totally fine for the Tide. I had that $1 printable coupon come off totally fine for the Lysol, and the $9 Catalina coupon came off totally fine as well. So then that brought my total down to $38.45. I got back $19 in bonus cash. So I'm losing a little bit of bonus cash here, but it still ends up being a really great deal because I'm getting back a good amount of bonus cash, I think. And the bonus cash challenge, I mean. There we go. I got $19 back in bonus cash. I was thinking that I only got... Okay, so anyways, I got back $10 for the booster, $6 for the Pop, or soda, and I got back $3 for the Lysol. Then I'll get back $13 in the bonus cash challenges. So that's what I mean by, like, I'm losing like a little bit of more of regular bonus cash, but I'm getting it back in the bonus cash challenge, if that makes sense. So anyways, I'll get back 9 for the Tide, and I'll get back 4 for the Lysol. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'll get back $2, $1 on each one of the Lysols, and then I'll get a $1.50 bonus that I've been tracking for. And then I got back 545 points, and that equals out to $1.09 that will be converted to bonus cash. That makes that transaction just $1.86. And those things of Lysol, I can't even convey to you how big those are. Those were massive. Plus 5 bottles of Tide and 4 bottles of Pop. So I'm very happy with how that turned out. And I didn't have to use any of my own money. So then I did another transaction. This transaction turned out to be very nice as well. Very nice surprise on the Frosted Flakes, and I don't care if it's a couple months past expiration date on something like dry cereal. As long as there's no holes in the bags, I'm good with that. So anyways, I got Dove deodorant. I got 6 things of Crest. You're welcome, Dad. And then 2 boxes of Frosted Flakes. So the only thing that they had to do was they had to approve those sticker coupons that they put on the items. Because those were expired, they're still the exact same thing, and the manager came up and she said they're just trying to work through them, and the coupon is fine. It's the exact same one as the ones they already have. They're just trying to work through the ones that they have already. So anyways, those were fine. Then I had 2 buy one get one free coupons for the Dove. They just had to scan them. That went totally fine. And then I had that $9 Catalina coupon, and that went through totally fine. So then that brought my total down to $28.42. Now I should have gotten back $32 in bonus cash, but I forgot to hand over my booster. So what she said is, she said, just call customer service, tell them it was my fault, and they'll give it to you, which she's right, they will. So I will contact them tomorrow. So anyways, I should have gotten back $32 in bonus cash. So that would have been 10 for the booster, 10 for the Dove deodorant, $5 for each set of 3 that I did of the Crest, so another $10 for the Crest, and then $2 for the cereal. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back another $2 there for the Frosted Flakes. So $1 for each box. Then I got back 554 points, which converts to $1.11 that can be converted into bonus cash. So that makes that transaction free and a $6.69 moneymaker. So the total for everything that I got today was free and a $4.83 moneymaker. So not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm really excited about that. I got 5 bottles of Tide, and I got 4 things of Dove deodorant, and I got some cereal, and I got some Pop, and that toothpaste is all going to my dad, because my dad, who is 79 years old, bless his little bitty heart, but he loves that kind of Crest toothpaste, or Colgate. He doesn't care, but he likes the bare bones toothpaste, and so he's gonna love that. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.